Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 23 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge. As you can see, the portfolio is up $1,043 or 13.84% all time. So we're at a total of $8,578. So really getting close to that $10,000 goal in the first year of investing. Very close to being at that point. So really excited to continue growing this portfolio in the near future. So as of late, the market has been very up and down. As you can see in the recent times, it took a little bit of a hit and then kind of recovered, took another bit of a hit and then recovered a little bit more. So as we're still recovering from this period, I want to take advantage of that and increase my positions in two Canadian stocks today. One being one stock that I haven't invested in a long time is actually RBC. So as we scroll down here, I'll show you total value of all the stocks we're currently holding. RBC is a stock that I haven't invested in a very long time. I think last time we bought in, February of 2021. So we bought one share at $112.95. So really good buys there. But if you guys haven't heard, the Canadian banks are increasing their dividends. So I want to take advantage of that. Just a slow, long-term play and increase my position in RBC. So we're going to be investing into one share in our TFSA. Again, we have $250 or so to play with. Again, this order isn't going to go through just because it's Sunday afternoon, but hopefully Monday morning it'll pass through and we'll be good to go. The second stock I'm going to be buying today is the main ETF I'm holding, which does hold a lot of Canadian banks in its shares. As an ETF holding, it does, I think, hold all 5 of the main Canadian banks. So we're going to finish off our $250 buy with, see if we can buy about 3 shares of this. Hopefully we have enough money to do so. Again, VDY, and hopefully that order goes through again Monday morning when the stock market opens back up. So it's really hard to say what's going to happen on Monday, if stocks are going to crash down a little bit further, or we're going to have what everyone's been kind of talking about, that Santa rally. So really hoping that the stocks kind of bounce back a little bit, but we'll have to see Monday, and then we'll go over Monday, see how we're doing, and reassess at that point. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, portfolio's kind of been up and down a little bit, but again, we're still moving towards our target of $10,000 in the first year of investing. So again, thank you guys so much. Links in the description for Shakepay and Wealthsimple Trade. If you guys haven't started investing with either crypto or stocks, now is a really good time to get in. If you have any other questions, let me know, but leave a comment, and hope to see you guys soon with either a crypto update or another Wealthsimple Trade Challenge update. All right, have a great day, guys, and talk to you soon.